Hello everyone. So when you click that Flipgrid link in our classroom, you're going to choose Login with Microsoft. And I'm already signed in, but what you're going to use is your student OHVA account, their email and their password. So you'll type that in. Once you get logged in, it's going to let you into our Flipgrid here. I'm going to move this over just a little bit. So here's the assignment. It says, if I were a scarecrow. So you're going to print out the paper that I file transferred in the classroom. Print that out, fill that in with color words. Okay. It says, if I were a scarecrow, I would have a blank hat. So what color? Would it be green, yellow, purple? Whatever color, go ahead and write that in the blank. And then once you have all of your sentences filled out, you are going to get another sheet of paper or turn it over, and you're going to draw a scarecrow to match your writing. So whatever colors you chose, that's the colors I want to see in your picture. Then you'll come here to Flipgrid, push this plus sign. You're going to use your laptop camera, or if you're on your smartphone, you can use that. Record a video, show me your sentences. I'm looking for really good letter formation today. And then show me your scarecrow. Okay, you can put that here in Flipgrid, and I will be able to see it. Thanks, guys.